don't know what time it is that you're watching this, but I hope you're having a good day, good morning, good afternoon, or a good late night. I am freshly up in my robe and no makeup on. I have just done my morning face routine, and I try to make my hair look presentable, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know I am going through the uncooperative phase of my pixie grow out. Hashtag pixie grow out. This robe is from Romans, I believe, or I know it is from the Full Beauty website. I believe it is Romans. I will leave a link in the description. It is a great robe. It's very long. It's very lightweight. It is actually a little warm. I mean, it wouldn't keep you from freezing to death, but it is nice for, you know, just lounging around with or throwing on over clothes if you don't want to get something dirtied, or, you know, just waking up and needing to film a video and not wanting to actually put on an outfit. I will say it comes with a tie built in. It does not keep it tied. You would definitely need to search out a tie if you want it to stay belted correctly. I just have it tied and hope that I don't flash you. This vlog is going to be a super late to the game vlog. But in the previous months, I have been grouping them all together just because I was super unimpressed with them. And while I am a little salty because I didn't get a certain item that I really, really, really wanted, sorry, dealing with like allergies or something. So in the previous months, I have been grouping the boxes together since I didn't like them very much. I was super underwhelmed. I wanted to do this one by itself because it was a really good box. However, I'm a super salty. Okay, that was an attempt at a Luigi voice because I've been playing that lately. But, okay, Evie, reel it back in. I was a little salty because I wanted something that some other people got. I'm going to go ahead and share the box that I did receive from BoxyCharm because I did like my box. So I'm just going to open it up. I stashed some mail in here, so I'll move that. And the box was breaking the ice. So let me just get the first thing on the list. I really like this brand. I had never bought anything from it. I haven't purchased anything from it since, but I do like receiving it in BoxyCharm. It's pretty vulgar. It's Undercover Concealer. I have not used this yet. It is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating. It's formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. I can read. Flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E. So, this retails for $25. And, you know, it looks like it might actually be my skin tone. So, let's just, you know, put it on my hand here. Let's rub it in. Oh, it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like dry. A lot of concealers automatically just feel crappy. It really looks nice. Can you tell? I like it. I can't wait to use that under my bags, on my eyes. So that gets a thumbs up for me. So then we have an Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. Purity packaging. And the case, or the hard covering, looks just like it. Scarlett does it. And I have to say, I opened it and I was like, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like the colors that I love. This features 12 colors, reminiscent of the beautiful sunrise and sunset witnessed in various locations around the world. So let's see how the colors. They feel silky. And I'm just going to do like one swatch of them. Ooh, Sangria, I see you. I like it. I'm not going to do all of them, but those are beautiful. Okay, I have to do hibiscus. Hibiscus is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to use these, actually. I am so excited about this palette. I cannot wait. I cannot wait till summer, especially. I'm going to start now, of course, but especially for summer, I cannot wait to use this. I was super, okay, I have to say, I was like, oh my god, this palette was made for me. And I was really, really happy about that. So that retails for $34.99. So you already have paid for your box with those two things. So the next thing is Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. This is another brand I have never used, so I never heard of that eyeshadow brand before. I've heard of Wander, but I've never used it. So this is the blush and the what? This is the blush and this is the bronzer. These are the shades, if you can see that. They're really pretty. They look like they will go with my skin tone perfectly. I plan on be doing more natural. I mean, I already do pretty natural looking makeup looks, but so that so Wander Beauty Trio for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo is very natural look, and I really enjoy that look right now. That retails for $36. So the next thing is something I'm really excited to try. I did not open it until I got, because I wanted to get my first reaction of the smell on camera. But I am super excited. Let's see what it says. It says Glow Receipt Watermelon Glow Sleepy Mask. The Watermelon Glow Sleepy Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleepy mask that soothes and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiant boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. And this retails for $22. I wonder if I'm ever going to get my voice back. Oh, and it's a nice little a glass bottle that I will so be keeping when I empty this. I have a thing for glass bottles. I don't know why, but I love them. Oh man, that smells and feels amazing. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to put that on my skin. That smells so good. This bottle reminds me of the Ralph Lauren blue perfume bottle. The way it feels and the way it's shaped. So that is awesome. And that's from a Glow receipt. So the last thing we have is Petite and Pretty. I don't know about that name, but okay. Fully featured volumizing mascara. A volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. Its quick dry formula locks in curl, while the custom petite sized hourglass applicator is designed to lay it on thick. So it's $16. Let's see what it looks like. I like the little the core decoration, the container. So that is the little wand. I will use this and see how it goes on. I'm always looking for a good mascara. I have given up trying to buy one that makes me happy because they never do for very long. I get one I like and then I'm instantly dissatisfied the minute I say I like it. Can I get an amen? In the comments, tell me if that is not true and tell me what you're currently using because I just want to know. So if you have gotten through this vlog about my BoxyCharm and my annoying voice and my annoying hair and you still love me and think I am a little bit entertaining and maybe a little bit cute, please leave a bow emoji in the comments and tell me what you want to see next time, and I will try to provide you entertainment. I will be talking to you soon and hope that you know that you are always beautiful in my eyes. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and be your own.